This Flutter tutorial shows how to build live streaming into your app with ZEGOCLOUD. To embed live streaming feature, we are going to integrate and customize ZEGOCLOUD pre-built UIKit SDK into your app. Then host start a live and audience watch a live with ZEGOCLOUD real-time or content delivery network. It's that simple. Okay, we are in a Flutter environment. Let's enter the command to create a new project. Now the new project has been done. Before starting, open the main.dart file in the lib folder. Then modify the default application code to achieve a home page with 2 buttons, as shown. After that, run the app, and you can see 2 buttons on this page. Okay, let's see how to integrate the SDK. Firstly, add ZEGO UIKit pre-built live streaming as dependencies. Run the following code in your project's root directory. Now, in your Dart code, import the Live Streaming Kit SDK. We are going to an import step, which is using the Live Streaming Kit in your project. Now, we start adding the live page by these codes. After you need to enter your app ID and app sign, and I will show you how to find it in ZEGOCLOUD admin console. Here is the page of the console after you sign in. Create your own project. And then click the edit button. Okay. You can directly copy your app ID and app sign here. Now back to VS Code, we keep going on the live page. In our test program, you can use random strings as user ID and username. If you have your own user account system, you can use the real user ID and username. Host and audience can use the same live ID to enter the same live streaming. You can customize the rules of live ID as you like, according to your business logic. Here, the host and audience need to use different configurations. Now, you can create a new live or watch a live by navigating to this live page. Okay, here we are. For the second main step, we are going to help you configure your project for Android and iOS. Firstly, you need to modify the compile SDK version. Open your file on the Android app build.gradle. And enter 33. And secondly, you need to add app permissions. Continuously open the file src main.android manifest. And add the following code, just like this. Thirdly, to prevent obfuscation of the SDK public class names, in Android app folder create a file named proguardrules.pro and then add the following content as shown. Back to the build.gradle file. Add the following config code to the release part. That is the part for Android. And we keep going on adding iOS permissions. Open the iOS runner.info plist and add the following code to the dict part. Then, open the iOS pod file, and add the following config code. Let's see how it works. You can simply run and test your app on your device. Finally, let's navigate to this live page. Okay. Now you have finished all the steps. Live streaming now can be used in your app. And that is all for integrating Live Streaming Kit and building live streaming feature in Flutter. Let's get started.